one spoon of this, any spoon is fine because you don't need a lot. And it's called um, rosemary. Okay, but we make it homemade, so just get one big spoon of that and just spread it out on the bottom of the bowl.
To make it, you just put ketchup, some cinnamon, some very hot sauce, and then a little honey, some salt, and a little bit of like just a pinch of like apple juice, any kind of juice, just to season it up a little bit.
Yeah, and we need put a little bit more hot sauce because the first time you don't need it a lot, but you just need about a couple squirts. You know, if you like hot sauce, you can put about 6, but I put about 2. So, and just mix that up. And so, and if you would like, you have to have some ground meal to go over that. It's going to be like something like layered. And there's Maddie, would you please explain for me?
You kind of layer it like a cake, because we kind of have like our rosemary sauce, and then we have our dry oatmeal, and then we're moving on to the rest of our stuff.
Yeah. So, I'm going to add a little bit mustard. You don't have to, but it's just if you like.
It makes it a lot better.
Yeah.
You can't really taste the mustard, but
it just gives it a flavor.
A lot better.
Yeah. And you need some peaches. So just get a regular bowl like this, and then just put about a couple peaches. It don't matter. And just about 4.
3, 4.
Yeah. Don't matter. And then if you like, just kind of crush them up.
It's a lot easier if you have a potato peeler and they crush very well. You just take it, take a peach, smash it right down through it, boom, crushed, 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 crushed. You just crush them for a little bit. I mean, you could do a lot more peaches. We normally do, but with this little batch, we're just going to do 4. And you just keep crushing until they're crushed.
Yeah. Okay. And then you just simply pour them in. And then mix them.
And they actually crush even just as well. If they're not crushed good, just crush them.
And if you would like a lot of flavor, then you can get another spoon of rosemary and mix it right in. And you might want a little bit of honey in this, even if when we put this on top, we just like to mix them to give it some flavor.
Plus, it makes it a little less runny.
Yeah.
Running bad.
Because it thickens up. It's like really thick.
And it makes it kind of like a doughy. Like you can pick it up and pour it in the pan and it looks like dough. Like you would pick the cake. That's what it would look like.
Yeah. And you need 1 teaspoon of salt. And just hold it over this. Just like that. And then just sprinkle it. But don't put it all in one spot because then
it's
like,
thick.
yeah, it's thick.
And then it really isn't going to taste that much. Trust me, we're very experienced 11-year-olds.
Very. I'm not look 11, but I am. Really.
Yes.
Okay, now we have some chili powder and mashed if you would.
Very softly, just put some chili powder in there. Mix it up real well. Make sure the chili powder, you don't see no spots. It should be stuck inside the peaches and all that. If you can see it, you do need to serve.
So now you just need a regular bowl. And just put it in there. Just like that.
Just pour it straight in.
Yep.
And then, once you pour it in,
get some honey. See, everybody can say honey.
First, you can smear it out first.
Yeah.
Make sure it gets on there.
Yeah, you need to have it flattened out And put anything, a smiley face.
But I always just zigzag it and make it here and there, everywhere. And then you get chili powder, you just take it
And sprinkle it on.
toss it around. Put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
That's plenty of time. Okay. We're going to pause it and we'll come back with you 30 minutes later. Hey, we're back. As I was saying, let's get that out. Yum. Now, our taste trial right here is going to try it.
So good. Can I have some more oatmeal, please? We'll get some more oatmeal. Will you please hand me a better spoon?
Here, I will take care of the oatmeal. This spoon is just fine. Here.
I want some more oatmeal. I love oatmeal. Okay.
How's it taste?
Look.
More hot sauce? Or this? Oh, wait, I forgot. I put too much on. Let's try a bite of it. Okay, that's enough for you and me. Okay, that's all for today, but come back with us at
Alexis.